and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Wayona WN3LB1 USB Lightning cable. This cable is compatible with a plethora of devices that use the Lightning interface. It has a nylon braided design which makes it tough and durable, and it has protection against excess currents. The product can also be used to charge devices, or it can be used for data transfer. On the front of the package, we can see the Wayona branding on the top left, with the faster and stronger motor right in the middle, along with some imagery of the product. And at the bottom, we can see that it is fast charging braided cable. On the right hand side and on the left hand side of the package, we have a link to the brand's website. On the bottom, we have a little thank you note. And on the top, we have a sticker that shows off the manufacturing information along with some information regarding the customer care. On the back of the package, we can see that it is a made in India product thanks to this tag. Right in the middle, we can see a QR code that can be scanned to visit the company's website. And at the bottom, we can see some additional branding with the Wayona logo and the motto saying crafted to be unstoppable. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into the package now. Inside the package, we get a couple of leaflets, so let's go through them one by one. We can see that this is an environmentally friendly product, proudly made in India. And on the back, it says that no plastics were used in the packaging of this product. Right here, we have another thank you note with the social media handles of the brand. And on the back, we have some customer care information. Coming to the product itself, we have the black variant, and we can see that it has a nice nylon braided design. We also get a Velcro strap that can be used to organize the product and prevent tangles. We have a Lightning interface on one end and a USB Type A interface on the other. We can also see some Wayona branding on the Lightning interface end. The product itself has a cord that is round and it is pretty stiff, so that should prevent tangles. And let's see how long the cable is. Here we can see that the product is approximately 100 centimeters long, or in other words, it's approximately 1 meter long. Well, this has been the unboxing of the Wayona WN3LB1 USB Lightning cable. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.